Hey guys, Mike and Claire here from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. What's going on today, Claire?
Today we had a BMW come in with some rodents chewing up and making some nesting.
Oh my, that's the underhood insulator?
Yep.
They look like they did a heck of a job.
Yeah, they did.
So they put that stuff all throughout the engine compartment?
Yep.
And then we decided to go in and check out the cabin filter as well.
Yes, we did.
And we found some evidence of some nesting there, so we decided to do our mist service.
Yep.
And what is our mist service?
It's basically a hand sanitizer throughout the whole car that goes throughout the vents of the car and keeps it clean from mold and
Bacteria and all that other good stuff. So we've got the mist program here. This is the formula, the ultrasonic cleaning solution that we hook up to a machine. The machine runs while the air conditioning is on, takes it through all of the vents. You can see that it is running currently, and you can see the fine mist coming through the vents. That is going onto all of the inner surfaces of the vehicle, killing any mold and bacteria that may be within the ventilation system, heating, ventilation, and cooling system of the vehicle. And new as well, brand new, our friends at TerraClean are marketing the Kill Shot. This is a disinfecting cleaner, and as you read what it says, that's expected to inactivate the SARS-CoV-2 virus, COVID-19. Kills bacteria 99.9% in just 5 seconds. So we run this system here throughout the vehicle, make sure that it's clean. Then we spray the interior with the Kill Shot, and then it gets mist certified for a healthy and fresh in-car environment. You can check out more details at misthealthyair.org, which explains everything in detail, including more descriptive and informative videos. So if your vehicle needs some service, in-air cabin cleaning, getting rid of bacteria, mold, and replacement of the cabin filter, who should we call?
Urban Automotive.
Where we say
Safety first.